Big changes are coming. If you are a Chinese manufacturer, you need a friend in Europe, and here's why. Hello, my name is Carl, and I've been working as a CEO in different companies here in Europe for many years. And on my path in business, I've been working a lot with China and developed a lot of friendships. And that's the reason why I started the company UnikConsultant.com. I like to see businesses grow. We have a motto: growth is not our aim, it's our game. Today, Chinese manufacturers lose a lot of profit because they give it away to European distributors. So let's take a look at the value chain. First, there is the price of manufacturing. Then there is the price of transportation, custom duties into Europe, wages for distributors' employees, and then warehouse and inventory cost. And we can't change this. But on top of everything, the European distributors put on a margin of at least 40% or above. We help Chinese companies take control of the whole value chain. But why choose to set up your own business in Europe? There are 500 million citizens with purchasing power in 26 countries around Europe. What you probably don't know is that Europe is divided into a richer north and a poorer south. That's why it's obvious to put your European company in the middle, Denmark. But why Denmark? Denmark is actually the least corrupt country in the whole world, and a country with Viking spirit. That means it's a population of merchants and fighters. Denmark has the perfect infrastructure to reach all parts of Europe. Denmark is in general very transparent and in all aspects good for business. UnikConsultant can take care of everything for you. We give you an address, we take care of a lawyer, a bank you can control from China, accounting, custom clearance, warehouse, distribution, marketing and sales until you get your own employees. We will take care of everything for you. In short terms, we lead you through every step and every process. We have experience setting up companies for many years, and we even have a cooperation with a local office in China. In the coming years, something very interesting is going to happen if you're a Chinese manufacturer. The European Union are introducing carbon border tax if you're importing goods into Europe. That means you will pay extra border tax accordingly to the CO2 emission in your manufacturing. Let's take an example. If you manufacture this coffee pot in China, you have to calculate all the CO2 emission in every part. But if you half manufacture it in China, put on the handle here and put it into a nice box here in Europe, then you're finishing the product here and you will not be hit by carbon border tax. If you want to get in contact with us, go to UnikConsultant.com and choose a friend in Europe.